try to find my middle. It's not totally, but I love to do that because I think that it's easier to lift your paper towel if you have all this in the middle. So okay, so let's start. Maybe I will tell you this is pearl white mixture, this is vermilion hue, this is carbon black, light gold, and here I have Amsterdam pearl red. It looks white, but it's an iridescent paint, no, color shift paint, no, I don't know. When it's dry, it gets a reddish shine on this white. So this way. So as you can see, I hope that you do. There is some gold on the outside of this pearl white, some gold lacing. I like that, and I have a little gold shining through, but I lost a lot of gold too, so and this is the part that I was trying to fix it. So what can I say? Not over the moon with this one, but not bad neither. I love that this background worked because I don't see any canvas through. Maybe here a little bit, but I think that it will be okay. So part successful flower dip, reverse flower dip, but I think that it will be, when it will dry, when this iridescent color shift, whatever, pearl red will show through. When you look at the different angles, it shines. So I think that it will be nicer when it will be dry. So this is it for today. See you on the next one. Bye.